आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi everyone, in a given question, the deuteron is bounded by a nuclear force just as hydrogen atom is made of V and is bound by the electrostatic force. If we consider the forces between neutron and proton in deuteron as given in the form of Coulomb force, but with an effective charge F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E dash square by R square. Estimate the value of E dash by E given that the flowing binding energy of deuteron is 2.2 milli electron volt. Okay, we have to find the value of E dash by E. Okay, for hydrogen ground state N is equal to 1. Binding energy, how much? Binding energy E is equal to, we know that from formula, m e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h square. Okay, this value will be, when we put this value m e to the power 4 8 epsilon naught square h square, we will get the value of E, how much? 13.6 electron volt. Okay, assume this equation 1. Next, for deuteron force is what? Force is given how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught E dash square upon R square. Okay, replace E to E dash. Okay, and m from mu. Okay, and we know the formula of mu is equal to m into m, that is mass of proton into mass of neutron upon mass of proton plus mass of neutron. We consider the mass of proton and neutron almost same. Okay, so we will get the value how much? M by 2 here, that is equal to 181836 m upon 2, that is equal to how much? 918 m. Okay, and binding energy of deuteron is, now we will calculate the binding energy of deuteron. Okay, deuteron E dash is equal to how much? E dash is equal to 918 m e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught n square. Okay, that is equal to how much? 2.2 milli electron volt. Assume this equation second. Okay, and we have to calculate the value of E dash by E. E dash by E is equal to, E dash by E is equal to how much? Here E dash value is how much? From equation to 918 m e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught h square. Okay, sorry, here not n square, this is h square. Okay, upon, this is value of E dash upon E value is how much? M e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught h square. Okay, this denominator will be cancel out. Okay, now we can write it 918 E dash to the power 4 upon e to the power 4, because m and m also will be cancelled out. Okay, from here we can write it 918 into e dash upon e to the power 4 is equal to e dash upon e. Okay, again we can write it, e dash upon e is equal to how much, 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 upon 13.6. okay, and e dash upon e is how much, or we can write it, e dash upon e to the power 4 is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 upon 13.6 into 918 is equal to 176 upon 176.21. okay, now we will calculate the, from here e dash upon e is equal to 176.21 power 1 by 4 is equal to 3.64. this will be our final answer. okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।